Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're going to talk about a classic dish that's a staple in many households, burgers. So, let's dive right in and learn how to make the perfect burger. First, let's talk about the patty. The key to a great burger is using high-quality ground beef. I recommend using 80% lean beef for the perfect balance of fat and meat. Next, seasoning is crucial. A simple mixture of salt, pepper, and garlic powder will do the trick. Now, let's talk about the bun. I prefer a soft, fluffy bun that can hold up to the juicy patty. Make sure to toast the bun lightly to give it a nice crunch. When it comes to toppings, the sky's the limit. My personal favorite is a classic combination of lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles. But feel free to get creative and add your favorite toppings. One of the most important aspects of a burger is the cooking method. I prefer to cook my burgers on a grill for that smoky, charred flavor. But if you don't have a grill, a cast iron skillet will do the trick. Just make sure to cook the burgers on high heat for a nice sear. Now, let's talk about the perfect burger sauce. A simple combination of mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard is all you need. Mix them together, and you've got the perfect sauce to top your burger. Lastly, let's talk about the perfect burger assembly. Start by spreading a generous amount of sauce on the bottom bun, followed by a few slices of tomato, a few leaves of lettuce, and a few slices of onion. Then, add your patty, and top it off with a few pickles. Place the top bun on top, and voila! You've got a delicious, mouth-watering burger. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to making the perfect burger. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I can't wait to see your creations. Don't forget to tag me in your burger photos, and happy cooking! Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!